Okay, Dacayana Escrima, okay, double stick, 5 consecutive strikes. So, starts in a closed position, as you can see with Steve, he's starting from his right side, so his left stick is underneath and his right stick is facing over his shoulder. So the first strike comes in, so it's angle 1, then he's going to loop over the top then for a diagonal strike. Okay, then he's going to thrust past and he's going to go back for a diagonal strike, and then he does his flywheel from that one side there. Then we're just going to reverse the same process. So in theory, it's not technically going to be an angle 1, etc., or an angle 6, or etc., 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 an angle 3. Okay, they're just going to kind of just reverse and mirror image what he's just done on the opposite side. So now he goes in for that high strike, loop it over the head down to the diagonal strike, thrust pass down for diagonal strike, and then obviously a flywheel on the opposite side, which takes him back to that position. So we'll just go through that process again. So high strike there, look, down, loop back in for a thrust, then down a diagonal and back in then for his flywheel. And opposite way around, 1, 2, 3, and away we go. And then when we can do this with speed, he can start pulling his foot back out the way to avoid the actual shot for the flywheels. So when he goes in 1, 2, so he'll retract his left leg back there, look, and he starts to move, and then he'll retract his right leg out the way. So he's opening the line up for that stick to come in. So it's 1, 2, loop through, and away we go into there. So he's just making sure his feet moves out of the way when obviously he defends that when that strike comes down, so he opens the line up. So this is called 5 consecutive strikes, double stick. You'll do this solo, and you'll also do this with a training partner as well.